guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica J. We're here in the new house, in the new kitchen, and if you guys see something a little bit off, it's because we're still under construction. We're still handling things, so like there's no oven or stove over here. If you guys can see, there's no floors there, so that's why. So if you guys see something a little bit off, it's because we're still under construction and still moving in. So I have a grocery haul for you guys today. I went mainly shopping at Trader Joe's, a few items from Target, so I just wanted to include those in there. And I'm still stocked up on a lot of fruits and vegetables, so you guys will see that here, but usually I have tons of fruits and vegetables because, you know, that's life. They're good for you. Eat your fruits and vegetables. So let me just address a couple of things really quick. The elephant in the room, if you guys notice, you might not. If you follow my channel, you know that I've been following a vegan diet for the past 4 years. And I'm no longer vegan. I don't want to do a whole sit down video and you know, talk about that, but it's just a personal choice thing. We're pretty much pescatarians now. We eat a little bit of fish. I eat a little bit of eggs now, and then I still try to stay away from dairy as much as possible. But yeah, that's where we're at, guys. And it's just really a personal choice. You guys will still notice we really still eat a lot of vegan items, a lot of vegetarian items, so that hasn't changed. We still support like the vegan restaurants. We still really enjoy that. But we just add a little bit of fish and some eggs in our diet, and that's it. Still no other meat. But with our grocery haul today, you guys will see some vegan items, have vegetarian items. I have keto items, you guys. I'm supposed to be doing keto in a couple of days. I have some keto items for that, and then just some snacks for the kids, some holiday items. So if you guys want to see what I got, keep watching. Okay, so I'll start with what I got from Target. It's just a few items. We picked up our milk from there. I really like getting the Ripple milk for the kids. It's 8 grams of protein. It says 50% more calcium than milk, has some B12 in there. And this is a vanilla flavor, but the kids really enjoy this. And then I got some soy milk. I like the soy milk, so we get that. And then for keto that I'm supposed to be starting, and I like just having these on hand anyway because I have a mean sweet tooth, so it kind of keeps my sweet tooth at bay. So I picked up these sodas. It's basically like a flavored sparkling water, and it's sweetened with stevia, so there's no added calories or sugar. I picked up a 6-pack of each one. I just don't want to, you know, haul out all the soda. This is a Dr. Zevia, which is kind of like Dr. Pepper. And then I got a cream soda, which is surprisingly really good. This is actually my favorite flavor. Okay, so I think that's it from Target. So let's move on to the junk food, you guys. Who doesn't like junk food? These are mainly for the kids and just little fun things here and there if you want to have some. Hopefully, I stick with my diet because there's some yummy looking stuff here. So I picked up some mini peanut butter crackers. The kids really enjoy this. I pack a few for their lunches, so that's a nice little treat for them. And then I picked up some organic fruit snacks. We haven't tried these yet, but they look good. They kind of look like gummy bears. I really like getting my marshmallows from Trader Joe's. I think Sprouts also carries this brand, but this is a vegan marshmallow. Doesn't have any gelatin in it, and they're pretty good. Actually, they're really good. I don't honestly taste the difference, and I think these are actually better than regular marshmallows. So we got this for like hot cocoa, or I kind of want to make a Rice Krispie treat, but I don't think I'm gonna have time before this thing, you know, ends up gone. It's already open, as you guys can see. I couldn't wait. I got some cookie butter. I think everyone knows about the cookie butter from Trader Joe's. It's the bomb, it's amazing. We got some hot cocoa. This is salted caramel flavored hot cocoa. My kids had this last night. They said it was really good. So got some of that, and they added some of the marshmallows in there as well. This is a vegan item, you guys, but it's their birthday cake popcorn. I don't know if it's seasonal. They've been having it for a few months now, so maybe it's here to stay, but it's pretty good. This little bag, I think, is like $1.99, but yeah, that's an item to try, especially if you like vegan snacks. That is it. We picked up some peanut butter, chewy, coated, drizzled granola bars. My husband picked up these soups. He likes having these on hand at work. Just something quick and easy to pop in the microwave, but these are vegan. I don't think we've tried these yet, but hopefully they're good. So we picked up a couple of those. I got some liquid stevia. I like getting my liquid stevia from Trader Joe's because they're only like $6.99, and these things are pretty pricey everywhere else. And this one's actually organic. I didn't even notice it was organic. So yeah, I like sweetening my coffee with this. I try to stay away from sugar as far, because I drink coffee like a couple times a day, especially if I'm dieting. But yeah, so it's a good option if you want to avoid sugar, you want to like lessen your sugar intake. Liquid stevia, it's pretty good. And we also picked up these pumpkin spice cinnamon rolls, you guys. This is a seasonal item. They don't have them all the time. Once they do get them, they sell out pretty quickly. So I encourage you to try these. They're bomb. They're amazing. And we picked up 3 of them just because if you see them, just pick up a few. We picked up some gluten-free bread. This is mainly for my 1-year-old. I feel like when we keep him, when we don't give him a lot of gluten, his digestion's a lot better. I like giving him peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, avocado toast. So you guys will see we picked up some eggs. We picked up some cucumbers, some bananas. We got this pack of avocado. I love avocados, especially for keto. That's how I get my fat in, from avocados. I also got some berries. I got strawberries and blueberries. They're keto approved. You can eat berries on the keto diet, and they're just really healthy for you. My kids love berries, so I picked up some of those. Some lemon. I don't really know why I got the lemon. I don't have any lemon, so I want some lemon in the fridge. And then I got the cotton candy grapes. I don't really care for them. They're expensive, and I don't know, my kids wanted them, so we picked up some cotton candy grapes. And that looks like it's it for the fresh produce. We picked up some of this turkey-less stuffed roasted turkey with gravy. This is pretty good. It's only like 12 bucks at Trader Joe's. We got these pretzels, these soft pretzels. They're really good. Just pop them in the oven. It's kind of like the little Annie's or whatever it's called, like you see in the mall. My kids love those. I got some cauliflower and broccoli vegetable patties. We haven't tried these yet, but I like getting easy items like this with vegetables in them. I can just pop in the air fryer. I got some potatoes, forgot to mention that. Tofu, some organic tofu, really good source of protein. That's what I like to eat when I'm on keto, or just, I like to have that on hand. It's so versatile. You can really do anything with tofu. Hot dogs from Light Life. They're pretty legit. They're my favorite vegan hot dogs, so they taste pretty legit. You don't taste the difference at all. We got some breakfast items. I got some hash browns. I really like getting my junk food, and like I've got a lot of junk food here from Trader Joe's because they use better ingredients than your traditional grocery store. So I really like getting my items from there. And then we just move. So we need items that are easy to cook, throw in the air fryer. As you see, there's no oven, there's no stove. So I'm using my air fryer, I'm using my toaster oven, and I'm using my crock pot or my Instant Pot to cook these meals. So you guys will see a lot of easy meals. So this is a very like movers friendly grocery haul. If you guys just moved, this is the way to go. So I picked up 2 packets of the Japanese fried rice. They're vegan, they're amazing. Everyone that eats it loves it. So I picked up a couple of those. I got some vegetable, what is this? Oh, it's Asian vegetable with Beijing style soy sauce. It's fat free, it says. And it's really good. I love the sauce. It's really, really good to pair with some type of like Asian dish. We got the orange chicken, the chickenless orange chicken. We picked up a couple of packets of that. I like pairing that with some rice and some broccoli on the side. It's really good. Okay, so I don't know how to pronounce this. I think it's Noki. I think it's Noki. I haven't tried that yet, and I have no idea what I'm gonna do with it. My older daughter loves gnocchi, so I picked up that. And then I got some gluten-free waffles. I love their waffles. You can't really tell the difference as far as them being gluten-free. So I picked up some of those, and then some salmon. And then we got some Light Life white bean and kale deli slices. And guys, I think that's it. All right, guys, I think we covered it all. I love Trader Joe's. They have the coolest items to me. They just have really yummy stuff and quick stuff. If I wanted some quick items to cook on hand, Trader Joe's is really the way to go. So if you like the video, you guys, you have any comments, you want to share what you guys really like from Trader Joe's or even Target, please comment down below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. You should be here.